Okay, I have a book to unbox. This is from AuroraCrate. I want to see which one it is. Welcome to our AuroraCrate book box, and thank you so much for getting our Romantasy box. We are so happy that you wanted to grab our special edition omnibus of the Cursed Captors series by Nisha J. Tooley, and we really hope you love this Romantasy. This was their September one, I believe. And it's an omnibus, so it's 2 books in one. It's wrapped pretty good. This is the signature. Thinking that's a sticker, maybe. Bookmark. It's art print. And another art print. So the first book is Wicked is the Reaper, and the second book is Feral is the Beast. Those are the edges. The front naked hardback. It says, I was a good little princess until the Reaper came for me. The back says, the Feral King thinks he'll break me, but I will break him first. Front end papers, a little dark. Now there's 2 books in one. There is an author letter. The dedication says, to the girls who think the villain is kind of hot. Nothing inside. The back end papers. Giving her tattoos. Interesting. There is a reverse dust jacket, which is basically just the same thing as the front. Cursed Captors Books 1 and 2. This is a high-heat adult fantasy romance omnibus that contains the first 2 interconnected standalone stories in the Cursed Captors series by Nisha J. Tooley. Wicked is the Reaper. I was a good little princess until the Reaper came for me. Feral is the Beast. The Feral King thinks he'll break me. I will break him first. Doesn't have anything else on it. That is the September box.